Today is the day of Sant Antoni, the patron saint of animals, and in Vilanova Geltrú we celebrate our Festa Major of 3 stones. The animals are passing by the priest here on the small stage, where they are being blessed with holy water to give them a good summer season. I thought there would be 12 carriages in this parade, but I think there are at least the double have passed by already, and there seems to be more to come. That is what has been expected. This is a local holiday, but this year Sant Antoni falls on a Saturday, and of course that's why there are unusually many people here and unusually many participants in the animal parade. Vilanova Geltrú, Catalonia, 2009.